you know, there were a couple of drop balls, a bit of lack of communication around the ball as well, and it looked a bit sluggish. I thought, you know, we're not going to get much out of that. So rather than, you know, they've got to trust me, and so that means they've got to trust me when I want to flog them on the field, and they can't breathe. But they also means that I also can see when they need a rest, and so that's what happened this afternoon.
Just Pisova now on having the full sessions. Are you happy with what you've seen so far?
Yeah, he's getting his sevens legs back. You know, he got them back pretty quickly in Paris. So yeah, no problems with him. You know, you can see what he's doing. He's amongst a team of the most powerful sevens players in the world. He's still breaking tackles and causing problems. And no, he's a great addition to the squad. And if he continues as he's going, then I'm sure he's going to be a hard player to leave out of the team.
Now with Rawava and Virviri stepping up to that position, to how many competing in that
Well,
squad?
we could take all three. You know, I'd like to be in the position that we haven't had for the last couple of years of having two out-and-out wingers. We've always had one with one backup, and even last year, you know, when it was Save and Sammy was playing Rover, and Oscar was starting at 10, and it was Save on the wing. So to have two out-and-out wingers with the opportunity potentially, if Sammy does well, that he could fit in as an option as a Rover / wing.